How to link or sync boards on Trello. So let's get started. In this case, you just need to add Power Up. I will show you what Power Up is and how to do it. So first, I created two boards that I would like to sync. Click on first board, click on these three dots and go Power Ups. Simply search for Unito. Click on Add, scroll down and click Add again. Now we edit the Unito Power Up. Next step is go Settings, and here you will see Authorize Account. Click on it, authorize your account, and that's it. I already did it, that's why it's not here. The next step, go Unito app, search Google Unito app, click on it. After you authorize it, you will be logged in automatically. If not, just click on Login and you will end up on this page. And here is the tricky part. Here we need to set up everything. But it's super easy, so let's start. Connect your tools. Click on Start here. And we would like to sync Trello with Trello. Then we're gonna sync Martin with Martin. Then we're gonna choose board. So I'm gonna choose this board and I'm gonna sync it with this board. Okay, that's it. Confirm. And next step, we're just gonna check it. Okay. It's correct. The third step, click on Continue. Click here, add a new rule. Click List. First list to sync. And it's gonna sync with the second list. Okay. Click on Confirm. That's it. The fourth step, click on Continue. And the best option is Automap. Just click on Automap. And here everything is gonna sync together. Click Confirm. And the last step is Launch your flow. Click Continue. And click Launch Flow. And now you should be synced. So let's try. I'm gonna open this board. And I'm gonna open the second board here. And now if we add some card here to this list one, it's gonna show up here. Here we go. Just press F5 to refresh and that's it. So one more time, some card number 2, add card, click on your second board, press F5, refresh the page. Okay, it takes a few seconds to synchronize this. And this is how can you do it. This is how can you link or sync two boards on Trello. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment or like. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. See you.